Okay, hi there. Well, today I'm going to defeat finally this bird from Duolingo because I'm so much tired that I cannot put period on this app, Because last time I was trying to actually pass this test and like do my best in Danish in Duolingo after finishing language school. It was like, I don't know, 6 months ago or something. So I failed it. The fact is that I didn't finish this app and I really want to finish all the courses on this app and we're going to do it together with you today. I hope it will be better. But I also need to mention that throughout the past 6 months since that video, I was working and I'm still working actually in the hospital. So I'm using Danish every single day and I'm talking to my colleagues in Danish. I hope that my Danish has become much, much better. So I'm super excited to actually finish this app. Like right now you can see there is over 1 million people who are learning Danish. That is awesome. Well, right now I am learning Danish to boost my career because my future goal is to actually get internship in Danish. I want to have it in Danish so it will be much more easier for me in the future to get a job because job market will be open not only on English side but also on Danish side. So I just unlock more job opportunities for me. For the past months, I've learned so many diseases and illnesses in Danish, which is kind of cool because whenever I need to go to doctor, I will be able to actually express myself and just like say what's going on and I will understand doctor. I don't know, let's fake it because like I can talk about various topics, but let's put like I'm the best in Danish, I'm super fluent and stuff like that.
Ikke
Altså,
risalamang
risalamang
uden
uden
mandler.
mandler. Yay! Hun pakker gaverne ind. Ikke også? Haha! But it's actually kind of cheating because I can just press look like on some words and it will be translated. So are they really checking my level of Danish? Because I can just cheat a bit. But okay, it's up to me, right? So he's eating bread with jam for breakfast, right? Jeg ved altid at lede under sofaen. As in like, jeg leder after. There is also one expression like, jeg plejer til or blah blah blah. But there is no T. Okay, should we just write like, jeg plejer? No, but it's not matching, right? Jeg plejer til or leder under sofaen. I don't know. Girl, okay. That is actually true, right? Lam kan være dyrt.
Henrik vil klæde sig ud som en superhelt til fastelavn.
Fastelavn. It's actually cool that they're mentioning some holidays here in Denmark. Okay, so Henrik wants to dress up like a superhero for Fastelavn. Yay! Cool. Which Christmas present have you chosen? Hvilken julegave har du valgt? It's also like, I need to remember, this is a very nice expression. At hjælpe med at blah blah blah.
Du ligner en superskurk med den udklædning.
This word Lina, yeah, it's like something that is familiar, similar, or something like that. And it's actually a very good expression, Lina. Yeah, it looks like it or something, Because my colleague used to say that, oh, your coffee looks like kloakvand. Du ligner en superskurk med den udklædning. You can also write like what a day is like. Voin day, second day. Yeah. You see, I'm not that good. Anyways, which elf stole my present? Oh my god. Hvilken nisse har stjålet min gave? The baker, yeah. The baker bakes. Best alone. It's like buns. They're actually tasty. I guess in one of my videos we have tried them. I mean, I was preparing for like a party. It's a Flutefest, and it's like moving in party. And that day it was fast alone. So yeah, no mistakes so far. Proud of myself, 100%. Amazing. Sorry, I was confused a bit. So yeah, it's actually section 3 out of 3 sections. And we can just jump to the last one. Ooh. And that's it. Oh, easy peasy. Okay. Yes, I will pass it. Monastery. It's Kloster. Kloster or Klostra? They explore many different places for the expedition. Oh, during the expedition. Here's mistake. Okay, we'll remember it.
Kristen.
Christian.
Krigeren udforsker byen.
The warrior is exploring the city. What a nice Viking ship.
Ro. Munkene bor og arbejder i et kloster.
The monks, right, are living. It's not something that I use actually in hospital every single day about the monks or monasteries or about warriors or something, but anyways, are living and working in a monastery. Good. Also a bit confusing, like, is it ikke kun or kun ik? Because the word order among these adjectives is also a bit tricky. It's a central adjective, right? Like it's called. Okay, but I mean, let's just follow the direct translation from English. So it's going to be just like ik kun. Yeah? Cool.
Hvilket land solgte mest rav?
What country sold the most ember? Good. We're doing good so far. Okay, does anyone live in the castle? There are 3 different words. I don't remember the third one, but I will just write it down if I find it. So about how to describe like a castle, right? Maybe there is also a difference in English. I don't know. You can just write in the comments. Like in this situation, there is like bow. Yeah, in bow. It's like a million bow. So those are like bow. There are also like slot. Christian's bow. Yeah, I know that there is one in Aarhus, I guess. It's like a slot. It's called slot. And there is also Hergo. Hergo is a manor house. So there is difference between them all. So once again, Hergo, bow, or slot. So just remember. Okay, so is it true? Is that correct? That is. Jeg kunne ikke høre dig. Hvad så?
Din bil ser oldnordisk ud. Din bil ser oldnordisk ud.
Old Nordisk, is it like old Nordisk? Old. Is that a thing?
Sikke.
Flot.
Flotte. Svær. Hvilken ære.
Ej.
Hvilken ære.
Air? Like this? I had no clue. What was that? So ever. What an honor. Okay. Air. Hvilken air? Yeah, we need a shield.
Skatten er gemt.
Okay, but in this situation, we remember, right, that there are actually 3 meaning of this word. Is actually scat. It's a text agency that is called scat. There is also like in scat, like you're my honey bunny. You can call scat your beloved ones, right? And also there is cat like a treasure. So in this situation, it's gonna be treasure. The treasure. Okay. Yeah, the treasure is hidden. The Viking Age was a tough time. Do you agree with that? I do. Tough time. Hard times.
Er det heldigt?
And heldigt. I think it's like that. Haha. Oh. Det er en flu. Flu. Med I. Okay. Again, you see, I'm not that good. Okay. The eight flying. Agarix. What is that? It looks so wrong. Okay. I can make a mistake, right? It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. At go, what does it mean? Okay. Flusvampe. Okay. And I didn't write this Berserk correct. So anyways, for at and also for at go. And I hope that I will not make any mistakes because I have only 1 heart left. So let's get it together. Okay. I'm not sure about those fortresses, but let's remember how it was. Isn't that just bore? Oh my god, we're so close. Please. Yeah. Okay, I would translate it like this, but who knows, right? There is only 1 heart left. Oh my god. Yeah. Finally. Oh my god, we have accomplished it. Just like, yeah, I'm not perfect. 92 is not that bad. Okay, I unlocked unit 6. Whatever. Later. Alligator. So that's it. So let's count it as I am able to speak Danish on level of Duolingo. I feel so stupid. So I can finally forget about it because, like I have Duolingo on my phone and I have reached like this final unit 6 section 3. And after that, there is only daily tasks. So you just do it to remember some words or like just to train some stuff, but you don't learn anything new. So that's why I was a bit frustrated, because I was like, why am I doing the same things over and over again? I don't understand that. What is my next goal, right? If you have any ideas, actually, just let me know in the comments. So maybe there are some other apps that I should try, like in Danish language. And you're so much welcome to check out the last video of me making the same test, but I failed it that time actually. But it's still useful in order to get some new words and just understand that you're not that bad in Danish as I am. And it's getting better. It's getting better throughout the time. So live your best life and just enjoy the weather, the summer, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.